Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to change fingerprint animation on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G. Go on Play Store, install this application. I have already installed it, so I will simply open it. Skip the advertisement. Tap on OK. Simply select the wallpaper you want. For example, I like this wallpaper, so I will simply select this. From here you can change the fingerprint animation position by doing like this and this. I will simply save it. Set now. Skip the advertisement again. Tap on apply. Tap on set wallpaper. Tap on home screen and lock screen. As you can see, animation wallpaper is applied. Now let's check it out. As you can see, animation is coming right here. Let's customize the animation again. Go back. As this is free app, so advertisement will come. Now let's change the position. Now save and continue again. Tap on set now. Skip the advertisement. Tap on apply. Tap on OK. Now let's check it out again. Tap on fingerprint. Go in settings again. I think this is right position. Save and continue. Set now. As you can see the animation, it is coming around the fingerprint. Simply unlock it. This is how you can change fingerprint animation on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G. If this video helps you, please like this video and subscribe the channel.